Hello and welcome to another Modern Aviation Stats video. Today we will be looking at the A220 series again. This is the third episode of our short mini-series. Today we will be looking at the orders and the deliveries that the A220 as a whole has received and delivered. The A220 first entered commercial service on the 15th of June 2016 with Swiss International Airlines. The A220 has had 642 orders, and Airbus has delivered, and Bombardier have delivered 113 of those planes. In 2009 to 2020, orders and deliveries by year. In 2009, the plane received 50 orders. In 2010, the plane received 40 orders. In 2011, the plane received 43 orders. In 2012, the plane received 15 orders. In 2013, the plane received 34 orders. In 2014, the plane received 65 orders. In 2015, the plane did not receive any orders. In 2016, the plane received 117 orders and delivered 7 planes for the first time. In 2017, the plane received 12 orders and delivered 17 new planes. In 2018, the plane received 165 orders and delivered 33 planes. In 2019, the plane received 63 orders and delivered 43 planes. And finally, as of March 2020, the A220 received 42 orders and delivered 82 planes. And delivered 8 planes, Thank you for watching. The links to the Wikipedia pages used to make this video will be in the description below.